Rearranging equations. We'll start in main, and we just need to remember here that really what we're going to do is solve these equations for the required variable rather than rearrange. So we'll start by typing in the first equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. And this is obviously the equation of a straight line, and a common thing is that we need to rearrange this formula for y equals so that we can read off the y-intercept and the gradient. So here we go. We'll select the equation on the left hand side where we put our inputs. These are solutions on the right. We're going to tap on interactive, advanced, solve, and change the variable for the one we want to solve for, which is y. We want to make y the subject of the equation. We tap OK, and our work is done. Now, if we prefer to see the coefficients in decimal form, note that we're working in standard, then we simply tap on the result, tap on the convert here, and we've got it in decimal mode. Now let's try something a little harder. So we'll get the keyboard up. When we've got other variables, here we've got an S, an R, and an H, we head down to the variable tab, and we can get capitals by tapping on the capitals key here and go back to lowercase by tapping it again. So we'll start off with a capital S, and then we'll go back to lowercase, and S is equal to a 2. To find pi, we'll head back to the Math 1 tab and tap on the pi up here. Back to the variables, and we want an r squared, r to the power of 2, plus another 2, back to Math 1 to find a pi, back to variables for an r for the radius and an h for the height. I'll tap execute. ClassPad's tidied it up. Now here we go. We'll select our equation, head off to the interactive, advanced, solve again. We'd like to rearrange this equation for the variable r. So down to the variable tab, choose the variable r, tap OK, and here's our result. It's a little bit wide for the screen. We've got a couple of choices. We can tap the go right button to see the second solution here, tap left to go back and see the first solution. Don't forget we can also rotate the screen, and here you can see when you turn your ClassPad on its side, you'd be able to see both results at once. We'll switch back.